Good day to you. Welcome to Camon International Manpower Agency. May I know your name, please?
I'm Hanilin Caban,
How old are you, Miss Hanelin?
25 years old,
Are you married?
single,
And do you have any kids?
no,
And what is your educational attainment?
computer and office management, 2 years, and here in Bhutan.
So you're a college graduate, right? And do you have any experience as a helper before?
Yes, ma'am. Here in the Philippines, I have one couple and 2-year-old kids.
So what are your main duties and responsibilities with that family?
Cooking the food, washing the clothes, ironing, and babysitter.
Okay, so you take care of the 2-year-old. How did you manage to take care of that one?
I can manage that one. I can teach story, tutoring. Sometimes I can play with him,
Like what kind of games did you play with the kid?
like the toys in the home, then singing.
Okay, so you sing together. What kind of songs that? Can you give us an example?
Okay, I have two hands, the left and the right, holding you tight and fit and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clear little hands are good to see.
Okay, so that's a very nice song. And then, how about reading books? What kind of books did you usually read with the kid?
Like Cinderella books, Rapunzel, and Snow White, and etc.
Okay, so how about cooking? Can you cook?
Yes.
What kind of dishes?
Like Filipino foods,
What kind of Filipino dish?
tinolang manok, pinakbit, then
And can you tell us how to cook your favorite Filipino dish step by step?
I prepare the ingredients: chicken, sayote, cabbage, and together with the onions. I boil first the water. I will wait until 5 minutes. Then I mix them. Then 3 minutes. I will wait again 3 minutes to serve it thoroughly.
Okay, so is it yummy?
Yes, of course.
How about giving us a short message for your future employer?
For my message of my future employers, I do my best. I do my best and to do my role and regulation to follow them. And thank you.
That's a very nice assurance coming from you. Hope we can find an employer for you very soon. Can you show us your best smile?